Hey, this is John.
And I'm Tim.
This is the Bible Project, and we are about to begin season 6 with a lot of cool videos, one of which is called The Tree of Life.
Yeah, in this video, we're going to explore questions like, what's up with these trees that are so important in the first pages of Genesis, and are they magical fruit or what?
Psalm 1 talks about a person who is like a tree of life. What's that all about?
What's the significance of the fact that the tree of life only appears elsewhere on the final pages of the Bible?
This video is visually stunning, and we want you to hear from Armin, a guest art director who helped us out on this video.
My name is Armin Serrano, and I am the art director for this video called The Tree of Life. The style of the video comes in many forms. Number one, the video has no cuts, so it's a seamless progression of camera shots from the beginning to the end of the video. There's no cuts. There's a lot of zooming in, zooming out, panning, and every camera move represents a story, a kind of storytelling. So that's number one. Number two, we don't have any human characters on the video. Number three, and we have this first-person point of view wherein we actually use arms. We didn't use 3D or anything. We actually, the artists, they cleverly, I would say, tattooed themselves. So put some markers on their arm, shot the video, extract those on After Effects, and use that as the only moving character in the shot. So those are the things that you would expect on the video. On top of that, we also came up with a certain style wherein we use this illustrator, Sergio Topi, his comic book style, and we mixed that with an Edo Japanese painting, woodblock painting style. So the marriage of all those, we kind of put them all together, and that was the basis, the springboard for the style of the video.
That's the Tree of Life video. We're really excited for you to see it. We also have a lot more coming out in season 6.
Yeah, we're going to have some word study videos, and also we're going to be finishing the How to Read the Bible series. That's been 3 years in the making.
That and much more. Stay tuned.